5-in-1 keyboard cleaning brush, the ultimate tool for maintaining a clean and pristine keyboard. This compact and versatile cleaning brush combines 5 essential functions into one convenient device, making it a must-have accessory for anyone who values a hygienic and well-maintained workspace. The first function of the 5-in-1 keyboard cleaning brush is the brush bristles. With its soft and fine bristles, it effectively sweeps away dust, crumbs, and debris that tend to accumulate between and underneath the keys. Say goodbye to those pesky particles that can affect your typing experience. The second function features a silicone spatula, designed specifically to remove stubborn grime and sticky residue from the surface of your keyboard. By gently gliding the spatula across the keys, you can effortlessly lift away dirt and restore your keyboard to its original clean and sleek state. For a thorough wipe-down, the 5-in-1 keyboard cleaning brush offers a third function, an ultra-soft microfiber cleaning cloth. This cloth is perfect for wiping down the keys and surrounding areas, ensuring a streak-free and polished finish. Its high-quality microfiber material effectively traps dust and particles, leaving your keyboard looking as good as new. Tackling hard-to-reach areas is made easy with the fourth function, a specialized corner brush. With its uniquely designed bristles, it reaches into the tight crevices between keys, capturing hidden dirt and ensuring a comprehensive clean. No more struggling to reach those inaccessible spots. Lastly, the fifth function of the 5-in-1 keyboard cleaning brush is the keyboard keycap puller. This convenient tool allows for easy removal of individual keycaps, enabling deep cleaning or effortless replacement of damaged keys. With a gentle push and pull, you can maintain the integrity and longevity of your keyboard. The 5-in-1 keyboard cleaning brush is not only a time saver but also promotes a healthier and more hygienic workspace. Regular cleaning of your keyboard is crucial in preventing the buildup of bacteria and germs, especially if you share your keyboard with others. With this all-in-one cleaning solution, you can easily and effectively keep your keyboard in optimal condition. Compact, ergonomic, and efficient. The 5-in-1 keyboard cleaning brush is an essential tool for anyone who values cleanliness and functionality. Whether you're a gamer, a writer, or a professional, this versatile brush will become your go-to companion for maintaining a spotless and germ-free keyboard. Elevate your typing experience and invest in the 5-in-1 keyboard cleaning brush today.